Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials: a GitHub repo, a development environment, and a clear authentication strategy. Choose GitHub app for scoped permissions or a PAT for quick scripts. The why matters for security. Once decided, register the app or generate the PAT, grant only needed scopes, and clone your repository. Then initialize a project, npm init or virtualenv. Install the GitHub SDK or octokit/pygithub, and create a simple Hello World webhook handler to verify connectivity. Now implement the bot's core, receive events, and act on them. If using webhooks, set up a secure HTTPS endpoint and verify signatures. If actions, craft a workflow YAML and reusable action. Once events arrive, parse payloads and route to specific handlers for PRs, issues, or comments. Make actions idempotent, add retry logic for transient failures, and log meaningful entries for debugging. Test locally with ngrok or act, then push incremental changes to validate behavior in real repository context. Finish by deploying the bot to production and locking down security. Deploy to a cloud host or rely on GitHub Actions. Store secrets in encrypted variables and rotate tokens regularly. Once live, run end-to-end tests against a staging repo and enable structured logging and alerts for failures. If something breaks, check webhook signature verification, token scopes, and rate limits first. Those are the most common culprits. Make sure to reproduce the failing event locally, fix handler logic, then redeploy safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.